Bridging Trends. Brought to you by MT Finance. Contributing packages: Adapt, Brightstar, Clever Lending, Complete FS, Capital B, Ennis, Finanta, Impact Specialist Finance, Sirius, UK Property Finance. How did the COVID-19 lockdown affect the UK bridging finance sector? Take a look at our latest infographic to discover the general trends that shape the UK bridging finance market. Bridging loan volume dropped by 43.46 million in the second quarter of 2020, falling to 79.4 million from 122.86 million in the first quarter. Second charge lending peaked to the highest level since Bridging Trends launched in 2015, accounting for an average of 26.1% of total market volume, up from 24.4% in Q1 2020. Regulated bridging lending hit a record high in Q2 2020, increasing its market share to an average of 55.6% of all lending, compared to 37.5% in the same quarter of 2019. This is the first time regulated transactions have outperformed unregulated transactions since Bridging Trends launched. The average weighted monthly interest rate in Q2 2020 increased to 0.85%, up from 0.8% in Q1. Average LTV levels decreased to 48.8% in Q2 from 51% in Q1. This could be attributed to the number of bridging lenders removing high LTV products from their product ranges during the lockdown period. For the seventh consecutive quarter, the average term of a bridging loan remained at 12 months. Despite office closures, the average completion time on a bridging loan application has remained consistent over the last 4 quarters, reporting an average completion time of 50 days in Q2 2020, 49 days in Q1 2020, and 51 days in both Q4 and Q3 of 2019. For the 6th consecutive quarter, the most popular use of a bridging loan was to purchase an investment property. A quarter of all loans transacted by the report's contributors in Q2 2020 was for investment purchase purposes, highlighting how property investors continue to opt for bridging loans to purchase property against a backdrop of ongoing uncertainty. Refinancing a bridging loan was the second most popular use for bridging finance, contributing to 13% of all lending in Q2 2020. Bridging Trends.